Hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen, and tonight another Japanese dish. This is Shiitake Yakibuta Chahan. So Shiitake, of course, the mushrooms, Yakibuta, barbecue pork, and Chahan is fried rice. Well, look at this. We got, okay, well there's a big piece of Shiitake mushroom. We've got pork in there. We've got some egg in there. Now, oh, it's delicious. I have to go to dinner tonight. I'm looking forward to that. All right, you can look forward to it too. But first, let's go in the kitchen and make it now. When I was living by myself as a carpenter, my first year or so here in Japan. It's a little tiny place, and I'll tell you, when I got home from work making Chahan, that was easy and quick. And it is, it's really easy to make. Here we go. We've got the ingredients across the front here. 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. That's what gives it that special flavor. Here, 1 tablespoon of sake. Again, that's that Hakutsuru sake. Really nice stuff. Make sure you get out, if you get a chance, you're here and you're in Kobe, go and take that tour out at the Sake Brewery Museum. It's really cool to learn all about that. Over here, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 6 ounces or 170 grams of barbecue pork or Yakibuta, which has been chopped up, 3 eggs, 1 green onion chopped. What's a green onion? About 8 long. Over here, I got about 7 to 8 shiitake mushrooms. I think this is 8, and they're not huge ones. They're just nice medium-sized ones. And I've sliced them across at about 1/4 inch or so, about 5-6 millimeters. And then the rice, and that is 2 cups of cooked rice. That's it. That's all you need. So the first thing we want to do, we're going to get the sesame oil into the frying pan, and then bring that up at medium to medium high. I just want a little bit above medium. I want a little oomph in there. Now, as soon as that oil starts heating up, spread that around a little bit. What I want to do is I want to get the mushrooms in there and the pork. And I'm going to stir those around for about 6 to 8 minutes. Just got a little browning happening. I'll see you back in 6 to 8 minutes. All right, that's been browning nicely. Look at that. That's beautiful. One of the things I forgot to mention, and is really important when you're browning up mushrooms, don't ever wash them. I just brush off any dirt that's on them. They're clean. If you wash them, they soak up some water, and then they won't brown as nicely. So there we go. That's ready to go. What I want to do now is I want to get those eggs. Let's put that rice off to one side. Get the eggs. I'm going to crack them into a bowl. 1, 2, and 3. All right. Whisk them up. That looks about good. Can add those green onions in there. Come on, get everybody out. All right, we got the green onions in. Now, just give it a little mix around. Gonna add it in here. I want to cook this just for a minute or 2. Just enough to get the egg cooked a little bit. I don't want to cook it too much. I just want it nicely, I like my eggs a little soft. So, stir that around. About a minute or 2 until the egg starts setting up. Then we're ready to go. Right, that's it. About a minute down the road, you can see the eggs are setting up. So what I'm going to do now is add in the rice. Get that sticky stuff out of there. Yeah, I'm using Japanese sticky rice. You can do this with any rice, really. It's just that this is what we have in Japan. But yeah, you can use long grain rice, whatever. And in fact, it's usually a bit easier to make fried rice with it because you don't have to break it up like I do with this. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to break this up and mix it together. I'm going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then, oh, a little green onion went overboard. Then we're going to get the rest of the sauce in there. And then it's ready. That easy, that quick. How fantastic is that? All right, see you back here in about 3-4 minutes. All right, it's a couple of minutes down the road. I've been breaking up all the rice with the spatula, just getting everything else, the mushrooms, the barbecue meat and all that, everything mixed in with there, and that's looking good. So what I'm going to do now is I've got my sake and my soy sauce. I'm going to just put the sake into the soy sauce, get that mixed together. Green onion, and now make sure that's mixed. Drizzle it in there. All right, now just stirring that around another 1 to 2 minutes just to get that through there, get that heated, and that is ready to eat. It's been about a minute or so. It's looking good. Got it all stirred in there nicely. Look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous stuff. That's dinner. All right, if you like this recipe for Chahan, stick around. There's a lot more recipes on here. There's Japanese recipes, there's European recipes, there's North American recipes, Mexican recipes, you name it. There's recipes from all over the world. Just my own eclectic fusion of things I like to do. But if you like the Japanese recipes, well, make sure you check out the playlist. There is a Japanese playlist. This one should be part of a playlist. And also make sure you check other recipes here on the channel. These are all original Kevin Riley recipes here in Kuma's Kitchen. Also, make sure that you are subscribed and you have clicked that notification bell so you never miss out on one of these. And then go make this so easy. As you can see, it's so easy to whip up and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.